Did you know that after the age of 60, the body can lose up to 8% of muscle mass every decade? And the most alarming part is that this loss isn't just cosmetic. It directly affects strength, balance, and even independence in daily life. However, a simple habit that can be done at home in less than 5 minutes may help reverse this process. Recent studies show that certain teas, when consumed regularly, contain compounds capable of accelerating muscle regeneration and improving physical endurance. Imagine being able to walk more, climb stairs effortlessly, and even resume activities that once seemed impossible, all thanks to a natural, accessible, and scientifically proven solution. It's not magic, it's science. And the most interesting part, many of these options are already on your supermarket shelf. Today, we'll reveal 5 incredibly powerful teas for those over 60 who want to rebuild muscle quickly and safely. And stay tuned because tea number 2 is one of the most consumed in the world. Yet almost no one knows about its potential for maintaining strength and vitality in later years. Throughout the video, you'll discover how each tea works in the body, the ideal preparation method to maximize its benefits, and how to incorporate them practically into your routine. Plus, we'll share 2 bonus teas that can further enhance your results and give you that extra energy to enjoy life without limitations. 5th place, Peppermint Tea. Peppermint tea is refreshing, aromatic, and far more powerful than it first appears. Rich in menthol, it helps improve digestion, which indirectly supports the absorption of nutrients essential for muscle health, such as proteins and minerals. For people over 60, where intestinal absorption may be slower, this function is a true ally. Additionally, the cooling effect of menthol provides a feeling of well-being and relief, especially after light physical activities or walks. Another lesser-known benefit is the relaxing potential of peppermint on smooth muscles, which helps alleviate mild muscle pain and tension. This is particularly useful for those suffering from stiffness or discomfort in the legs and back, common in older age. To make the most of it, a good practice is to drink warm tea after dinner, creating a soothing ritual that prepares the body for restorative rest. The preparation is simple and accessible. Fresh leaves provide a more intense flavor and ensure a higher amount of essential oils, but bagged versions also retain good benefits. Just steep 5 to 7 leaves in hot water for 5 minutes and serve. On hot days, iced peppermint tea is an excellent option and can be combined with lemon slices to enhance freshness. The light feeling it provides, along with improved digestion, creates the perfect scenario for the body to better absorb nutrients and support muscle recovery. In the next tea, moving up to 4th place, we'll talk about a drink everyone knows but few associate with muscle strengthening. 4th place, chamomile tea. Chamomile tea is known for its calming effect, but few realize the impact it can have on muscle health. Sleep quality is essential for tissue regeneration, and especially after 60, poor sleep can accelerate the loss of lean mass. Chamomile, rich in antioxidants like apigenin, helps relax the nervous system, promoting deep and restorative rest. Good sleep means more time for the body to work on recovery and muscle strengthening. In addition to aiding better sleep, chamomile also has mild anti-inflammatory properties that can relieve muscle and joint discomfort. For those who suffer from mild pain or constant tension, a cup of this infusion before bed can make a big difference in the next day's energy. This calming effect is not limited to the physical. Reducing mental stress also positively influences muscle health. The preparation is simple and quick. Using dried flowers ensures a more delicate and intense aroma, but the tea bag versions remain very practical. A valuable tip is to avoid boiling water directly on the chamomile, as this can destroy some of its essential oils. Letting the infusion steep for about 5 minutes is enough to release all the benefits. Chamomile can also be combined with other herbs, such as lemon balm or lavender, creating an even more relaxing effect. This turns the tea moment into a self-care ritual that prepares the body and mind for more efficient muscle recovery. 3rd place, black tea. Black tea is a worldwide classic, and although many people associate it only with its bold flavor, it hides valuable benefits for those who want to preserve muscle strength. Rich in polyphenols, it fights oxidative stress, one of the major culprits of muscle degeneration with age. These compounds help protect muscle fibers and maintain energy throughout the day, something essential for those seeking vitality after 60. Another interesting point is that black tea contains a moderate amount of caffeine, enough to provide a mild boost without causing the side effects of too much coffee. This stimulation improves readiness for light physical activities, walks, and strengthening exercises, which are indispensable for keeping muscles active. In some studies, caffeine has also shown potential to increase muscle contraction, which enhances performance even in simple exercises. The preparation is quick and versatile. To extract a balanced flavor, it is ideal to leave the leaves or tea bags in hot water for 3 to 4 minutes, preventing the drink from becoming bitter. It can be consumed hot on colder mornings or iced with lemon slices on hot days, making it an excellent alternative to soda. This detail helps replace sugary drinks, which in excess harm muscle and overall health. Black tea can also be combined with spices like cinnamon or cardamom, creating a richer flavor profile and enhancing its antioxidant benefits. And now, moving on to second place, let's talk about a tea that is among the most consumed on the planet and can be a powerful tool for rapidly rebuilding muscles after 60. Second place, green tea. Green tea is one of the most consumed teas in the world, and when it comes to muscle health, it deserves special attention. Rich in catechins, an extremely potent type of antioxidant, it helps neutralize free radicals that accelerate the breakdown of muscle fibers. In people over 60, this protective effect can be decisive for maintaining strength and mobility. Moreover, studies show that green tea stimulates fat burning as an energy source, sparing the body's protein reserves and promoting the preservation of lean mass. Another important benefit is its anti-inflammatory action, which aids post-exercise recovery and reduces mild muscle pain. This means that, combined with walking, stretching, or low-impact exercises, regular consumption of green tea can accelerate muscle regeneration. A common practice in Japan, for example, is drinking green tea before and after physical activities, a habit associated with greater longevity and vitality. The ideal preparation requires attention to preserve the flavor and nutrients. The water should not boil completely. The right point is when small bubbles start forming. The leaves should remain steeping for 2 to 3 minutes, avoiding bitterness. Adding a few drops of lemon enhances antioxidant absorption and creates a pleasant taste. In the summer, the iced version with mint is refreshing and equally healthy. Besides all these benefits, green tea can be incorporated into recipes like smoothies and even soups, which diversifies consumption and maintains regular intake. And now, at the top of the list, we will reach the number 1 tea, which surprises with its combination of flavor, accessibility, and an impressive impact on muscle regeneration. First place, ginger tea. Ginger tea tops the list because it combines properties that directly aid in muscle recovery and strengthening. Rich in gingerol, a bioactive compound with strong anti-inflammatory action, it helps reduce muscle pain and accelerate tissue regeneration after physical exertion. For those over 60, this characteristic is valuable, as recovery time tends to be slower. Studies published in the Journal of Pain showed that regular ginger consumption can significantly reduce post-exercise muscle sensitivity. Additionally, ginger improves blood circulation, ensuring oxygen and nutrients reach the muscles more efficiently. This effect is essential for those who want to maintain energy and avoid fatigue in daily activities. Drinking a cup of ginger tea in the morning or before a walk can boost energy and help make the most of every movement. Preparation is simple, but to get the most benefits, it's worth using fresh root. Just cut 4 to 5 thin slices, add to hot water, and let it boil for about 5 minutes. To soften the spicy flavor, you can add honey and lemon, which also contribute antioxidant properties. In winter, this combination creates a comforting drink that warms and strengthens at the same time. Ginger also pairs well with other herbs, such as mint or chamomile, creating infusions with complementary effects. Incorporating this tea into your routine not only helps preserve muscle mass, but also boosts the immune system, something essential for maintaining vitality. But we are not done yet. Now it's time to reveal 2 bonus teas that can supercharge all these results. Bonus tea number 1, turmeric tea. For those looking to maintain strong and resilient muscles after 60. Curcumin, its main active compound, is widely studied for its ability to reduce chronic inflammation, which is a silent enemy of muscle health. When the body is less inflamed, the process of muscle fiber recovery and rebuilding becomes much more efficient. Beyond supporting muscle health, turmeric also contributes to joint flexibility. a key factor in preventing injuries and maintaining a good range of motion. This means that including this tea in your routine can help not only build strength but also preserve mobility and independence in daily life. An interesting combination is to pair turmeric with light exercises, such as yoga or morning stretches, enhancing the effects of both. The preparation requires an important detail. Curcumin is better absorbed when combined with black pepper due to piperine. Just add a pinch during infusion to increase the nutrient's bioavailability by up to 2,000%, according to research. Using fresh root or turmeric powder in hot water for about 10 minutes is enough to extract its benefits. The earthy and slightly spicy flavor can be softened with honey or cinnamon, creating a tasty and comforting drink. Incorporating turmeric tea regularly is like investing in natural armor for your muscles and joints. And in the next bonus, we will talk about a tea that surprises for being mild, caffeine-free, but full of nutrients for muscle recovery. Bonus tea number 2, Rooibos tea. Rooibos tea, originating from South Africa, is a caffeine-free and highly nutritious option, ideal for consumption at any time of the day. It is rich in polyphenols and minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which play an essential role in muscle contraction and relaxation. For those over 60, maintaining adequate levels of these minerals is crucial to prevent cramps, weakness, and loss of physical performance. Unlike other teas, Rooibos has a naturally sweet flavor, eliminating the need for sugar. This is an advantage, as excessive consumption of simple sugars is associated with chronic inflammation and accelerated loss of lean mass. Drinking a cup of Rooibos in the late afternoon can be a simple gesture, but with a significant impact on muscle and overall health. The preparation is simple and versatile. Just steep the leaves or tea bags in hot water for about 5 minutes. It can also be served cold, with slices of orange or apple, creating a tasty and functional beverage. Since it contains no caffeine, it is perfect for consumption at night without harming sleep, allowing the body to work peacefully on muscle regeneration. Studies indicate that the antioxidants present in Rooibos help reduce oxidative stress and improve circulation, factors that enhance nutrient delivery to the muscles. And if you combine Rooibos with some of the other teas on this list throughout the week, you can create a powerful routine to preserve strength, energy, and vitality. Now that you know these teas and their effects, the next cup you prepare could be the first step toward regaining strength, mobility, and energy you may have thought you had already lost. Science confirms that small, consistent changes have a huge impact on muscle health, especially after 60. The question is, will you just watch or will you take action? Imagine a few months from now climbing stairs effortlessly, carrying groceries with ease, or simply enjoying a long walk without feeling that heaviness in your legs. This is possible, but it depends on daily actions that start today. So, which of these teas will you try first? Or better yet, which one is already part of your routine? Leave it in the comments, because your experience may inspire others. And remember, every habit that strengthens your muscles also strengthens your independence, your confidence, and your quality of life. There is no age to start over, but there is a right time, and it is now. So prepare your water, choose your tea, and take the first step to transform your body and vitality. If you want to keep learning more about how to maintain strength and health after 60, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. This way, you won't miss any content that could change the way you live each day.